Hacker News hasn't changed in 20 years. Let's fix that in 4 minutes. In the last two videos, we used 100x bot to pull Hacker News into tools we've built ourselves. A morning brief, a smart table with 1,000 articles, and a chart from a single prompt. All of this moved the Hacker News data elsewhere. But what about those days when you open HN in the morning and just want to read it? All those links, same color, same size. But by the time you've figured out what stories are relevant to you, you've already spent 5 minutes just scanning. This is what a page boost looks like. A page boost is a custom upgrade that the agent adds onto any website that you're browsing. You describe the change that you want in plain English. The agent reads the page, builds the upgrade, and adds it right there. No new tab, no separate tool. And once it's installed, you can close the agent. The boost is now living inside the browser extension. So every time you open Hacker News, it'll be there waiting. Here's the prompt. Add a page boost to Hacker News. On every page load, scan all the story titles on the home page and classify each one into a topic. AI, engineering, business, science, or other. Inject a small colored badge next to each title, a different color for each topic. The badge should sit cleanly next to the title without breaking the page layout. There it is. You can now see the full shape of the front page in one look. A cluster of AI stories at the top and a couple of engineering ones in the middle. Before this, you'd have to have read every single title just to build that picture. But now you can let the agent do all that work for you. And it doesn't stop at the first 30 stories. The moment you load more stories, the boost picks them up automatically and classifies them too. You never have to rerun anything, it just keeps working as you browse. When the boost runs, the agent is doing three things. First, it's reading the page, especially the part of the page that holds the title. Next, an LLM is going through each title and deciding what category it belongs to. Lastly, the agent adds colored badges next to every title, one at a time, as and when the classification comes through. Because the boost runs on page loads and doesn't require the agent to be open, it runs on its own every time that the page loads. And this is just the starting point. As and when your browsing habits evolve and you run into new use cases, you can keep building on top of what's already there, like adding more categories, more logic, and more actions. The boost grows with you. The HN homepage hasn't been changed in nearly 2 decades, but now with a single prompt, you know the entire shape of the day's conversation even before you've read a single word. A few things worth knowing. The same boost doesn't require the extension to be open. Once it's enabled, it gets activated every time you visit that page. You can do more than just adding tags or indicators onto a page. You can also add buttons that prompt the agent to begin a workflow for that page's data. Once it's installed, it's permanent until you disable it. Now we want to see what you build. Pick a site that you visit every single day. It could be Reddit, could be a job board, or your go-to newsfeed, and build a page boost for it. Post it on Twitter and tag us at the 100x bot and share with the community what you've made. Stay tuned, get 100x.